Okay, so the name of the restaurant is Seoul Kalbi Korean Barbecue. The Peninsula's original all-you-can-eat, cook at your table Korean barbecue.
Good to meet you.
Yeah, we're here at Seoul Kalbi Korean Barbecue Cuisine.
We are, yes.
Okay, and this is Carrie, who's the owner here with her husband Drew.
Yeah, it's actually my husband's project.
Okay.
That turned into something that we just still enjoy.
But,
it's all you can eat, but the meats do come out served.
Okay.
So when we're not in lockdown or hashtag SIP right now, people come in and it's an all you can eat meat. So
nice.
all of our meats are prime grade and above, and we also do Wagyu, which is literally ranch to table. So we know our rancher, we know our cattle rancher. He comes and brings us our Wagyu.
So check it out, guys. We're here to support them. This is right now during these times where we take things to go. They've been preparing things here in their kitchen area.
You got the partner, you got the owner grilling for you guys to make sure everything tastes delicious.
Right on. Thank you so much for having us here.
Thank you for coming by. Hope you guys all try it out.
Yeah, dude, support them.
I'm sorry, but it's good though.
Hey guys, this is Drew, who is Carrie's wife, co-owners of Seoul Kalbi too. So Drew.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Okay, so this place has been here since 1991. That is fantastic. There's history, there's preservation. It's been here quite some time already. Okay, so right now we're inside of the restaurant. It is fairly quiet. As you can see, there's nobody here. Obviously, people are coming in to take things to go. Drew is cooking the food for pickup orders, and we're here also waiting for our order as well. But it's a beautiful restaurant. I mean, can't wait to come here as soon as this is all over. Definitely gonna stop by here and eat in.
2 Kalbis, 2 fingers, 2 salmons, and our stuff always comes with rice and japchae, so get that home for you guys as well. Kimchi, I know that Melinda loves the kimchi, and we got you guys some of that vegetarian tofu soup. I support every business, I support every restaurant, but I gotta say the meat quality we have here, personally selected by Drew, who actually knows our vendors and knows our rancher that brings us the American Wagyu. So you'll taste that today in the Wagyu meat.
Oh, nice.
Quality.
And the side dishes are always made fresh here, in-house, everything, nothing store-bought. Even our kimchi's fermented here as well.
Okay, great.
So hope you guys enjoy that.
Thank you.
That's why we have loyal fans, and that's why they love coming back to us.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate you guys. Enjoy and let me know your honest feedback, okay?
Thank you.
Thank you so much, guys.
Thanks so much for coming by.
Thank you, Drew.
Okay.
Thank you.
All right, guys. Thank you.
My little analyzer.
Ribs?
We started distance learning this week. It has been
Like really prize the vendors these and gets the good cut meats.
Okay.
Okay.
Do I have Monty Yeah.
Salad.
Restroom, Hopi.
Where's Sophie?
Here, thank Mel for the connections. There's Mel. Alright guys, we have finally settled down, and we are indoors, got the food to go, try the food at Seoul Kalbi Korean Barbecue. Big thanks to Carrie and Drew for just the hospitality, for their kindness, and for hooking it up with this food here. It looks amazing, and big thanks again to Mel for connecting us. Let's do this, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead, first thing I wanna try is that Kalbi beef. The Kalbi is the Wagyu. These are the Wagyu fingers. This is the Wagyu fingers. Wagyu, that prized piece of meat. Wagyu is any of the 4 Japanese breeds of beef cattle. And it's a popular Japanese breed of beef. And this is the Wagyu finger. And oh yeah, I'm excited to try this right here, right now. And bite. Oh man. Oh wow. Oh, you taste that juicy, fatty. There's so much like juicy flavors of that meat. That's definitely a prized piece of beef right there. Slightly chewy, but a good chew. Nice and fatty. You may see some marbling in that. And oh man, that is fantastic. These Wagyu beef fingers here are just, that's something to love. Wow. And I had that pure without anything. Oh, that was a good move right there. But now I'm gonna go ahead. Let's move on to the next piece of meat that they have. This is the Kalbi short ribs, I believe. And I'm gonna give this a bite without anything else. I might chase this with some rice as well. So, and bite.
I was like, because it's so tender. Yeah, my favorite.
Oh yeah. Oh wow. That's so good. I gotta chase that with some rice though. Oh yeah. Now even the food to go. They brought it over here. Got that freshness. The taste of Korean food. Korean barbecue. Oh, that Kalbi beef, man. Bone in. Oh, yeah, that is juicy. That is flavorful. And you taste that like barbecued char. The smokiness of it. The fattiness of it too. Wow. Let's move on here. I want to try that piece of salmon. Take a look at that. It is so just soft. Like it's like melting. I'm hardly pressing it with my fork. It's so like soft. But, and again, I've seen him prepare the salmon on that grill. And bite. Oh, that just melts in your mouth, dude. Wow, what in the world? Oh. You.
Oh, me?
Yeah. It melts, right? That just like literally like melts in your mouth like butter, man. Wow, that salmon is so soft and silky. And oh wow, that's delicious. Let's grab this chicken. I'm gonna cut it real quick. Okay. And here we go. And bite. Oh wow. Oh, they got some flavor in that one. Taste that pepper. Oh, that char. Yeah, that's just full of flavor. That's good too. Okay, let me try some of that japchae. Japchae is the clear noodle, popular in Korean food. I think it's primarily an iconic Korean dish, the japchae. Let me give that a bite. Oh yeah, that's just like buttery too. Silky, like sweet, and you taste that blend of like, I taste the sesame. Oh, you got some onions too, some green onions. Oh, that's good, that's really good. I do want to try this here, which is the kimchi that they have. The kimchi is a fermented cabbage, and oh man, yeah, I gotta give this a bite here. And this is something that you can have with any piece of the meat, with anything actually. Another iconic Korean dish, banchan, the kimchi. That fermentation, man, the spice, that texture of the cabbage. Wow. Oh, that's good. Wow. I love it. Again, that goes with anything. Lastly on this plate here is a salad. Get some of that salad. Maybe I'll grab a mushroom with it. See that mushroom? Grab the mushroom and bite. What is that? It's like sweet, but not like Thousand Island-y sweet. It's still sweet, almost like a honey mustardy taste, but white in color for some reason. Like a cream dressing, some type of, maybe their own concoction of so it's really good. It's really good, yeah.
Short rib was really good.
Fish, mini fish.
Yeah.
The last thing I want to show you guys is they have the soup as well. They do serve soup there, and this has tofu and some broccoli. I'm gonna give that a bite. I'm gonna try the soup. I should have tried the soup first, but let me get some of that soup. Oh yeah, that's soothing, it's warm, hint of spice on it. Yeah, I love that. Yeah, that's just a warm, comforting soup right there. All right guys, so this is some of the food at Seoul Kalbi Korean restaurant. This food was to go. I tell you right now, it's good to go, but I bet you it's even better when you sit down and have it at the restaurant because you can grill it yourself there. Take that meat, put that meat on the grill and just go to town with that. Fantastic flavors, Korean food there in San Bruno or Millbrae, in between that area there. Do check them out. Thank you again to Carrie and Drew. The food was amazing, and I can't wait to come and eat inside of your restaurant. Continue to support the local businesses as we try and move forward in these times. We'll continue to do our part as a nation, as a foodie nation.